I am Dr. Sadhna Trivedi, Assistant Professor, Rama University from FJS, means Faculty of Juridical Sciences. Today we are going to discuss the topic role of entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurs, first of all we know who is entrepreneurs. We difference entrepreneurs and innovator. We know entrepreneur as an innovator. Why? Because entrepreneurs as creator. Who creates the situation according to them, that is called creator. Innovator and entrepreneur creates different type of things, take risk and different type of situation he faces during his way of different type of risk. First of all we discuss the creator. As a creator. Organizer. Who is organizer? Organizer organizes different type of things. First of all, he establishes a firm, a organization, enterprise. So we call the entrepreneur organizer, organizing a thing, a setup, etc. Next thing is initiator. Entrepreneur is a initiator. Initiator means he initiate different type of things. I want to say initiation for anything. He initiate different type of things as an innovator, as he creates job opportunities. He gives job to many peoples because he established different type of companies, organization, etc. So he involves himself in between different type of people. Decision maker. First of all, when we are going to anywhere, वी हैव टू डिसीजन मेकर. यू वेल नो कि डिसीजन मेकर होना एक बहुत ज़रूरी चीज़ है कि वी हैव टू टेक द क्विक डिसीजन एट द रीजनेबल टाइम. वी आर गोइंग टू बाय अ थिंग, वी आर गोइंग टू मार्केट एंड वी हैव टू बाय सम प्रोडक्ट, बट we are not able to take any type of decision, we can say the quick decision. Then the decision maker begins with start. Planner. First of all, when we establish any type of thing, we have to make a plan. Planning is the first thing when we are going to do anything. So entrepreneurs are called planner. Motivator. When we are going to do any job, anything, when we are talking about the entrepreneur, means a employer. We can say the entrepreneur, a employer, this way. So motivation is a thing कि motivator is a person only. We know the motivator is a person only. He motivates the thing, he motivates the people, come and join this type of task, come and join this type of thing, come and join this type of job, etc. Programmer. When we have a program, we are going to do a program. Okay, we are going to do anything else, we are going to do a start up a business, start up a unit, start a organization, etc. Then we have a program. This way we have a program, and this program he have to fulfill. Then he is called a programmer. Risk taker. This is the very important thing about the entrepreneur or employer, etc. He takes different type of risk, because when he is going to do any type of establishing an organization, etc., then he have different type of opportunities and different type of risk. We have two things, the most important, risk and opportunities. When we are eager to take the risk, when we are eager to search the opportunities, in the true terms we are entrepreneur. Next thing is communicator. Communication is the best thing कि how we communicate the people in which we are going to talk. Then he should have the good communicator in between the people, in between the associators, in between the people which are who are coming to us. Administrator. First of all, when we are going to organize a establishment, then we have to we have to involve in administration also, then he is called the administrator, leader. The most important thing is, last thing is leader. We have, if we have not the leadership qualities, we can fail any time in any place. We are discussing role of entrepreneur. Second thing is entrepreneur as an innovator. When we are talking about the innovator, then we have a thing is in our mind, economic growth. Entrepreneur as an economic growth innovator, etc. In which first thing is wealth creation and sharing. Entrepreneur involves in wealth creation and sharing that is specific wealth. Wealth, first of all, we are discussing wealth creation. Wealth creation, he creates wealth by investing the wealth in organization, in enterprises and other units in which he take risk and searching opportunity, etc. After that, he sharing that specific wealth in an area where he involves. Next thing is standard of living. When he involves in wealth creation and sharing, he involves in full society. In full society means all the society in the area of entrepreneur involves in all the society, people, associates, etc. Standard of living, he invests his full of his life and full of his entrepreneur life in standard by developing standard of living. How he develop the standard of living? He creates wealth, he creates job, he shares the wealth. His wealth creates a total different area in between the people, in between the government, etc. Then he creates a atmosphere, a good atmosphere, and develops the standard of living of people in the society. GDP and per capita income. You know, this is a serial कि how he creates well developed GDP and per capita income. When he creates job, everybody have the job, and when he find the job, he creates per capita income. After that, he per capita income increases our GDP. Community development. When he first of all, we know, when an entrepreneur means a person is going to involve in an organization, he requires different type of persons, different type of associates to involve. In business, we have a market chain, we have a marketing chain. First of all, we have need an innovator, have need an entrepreneur, have need the marketer, the organizer, the distributor, the publisher, etc., etc. We need different type of people in our organization. Then different type of people involved in our organization, that creates community development, where we have already involved in community. Then different type of people when creates the development in per capita income and GDP, then we creates the develop the community, creates job. Last thing, when we are sharing different type of ideas, the last motto of this economic growth is creates job. We know when we gets job, when all the person of the society gets the specific job, important job, then he creates the community development, when he creates the society development differently. Then we can say the entrepreneur creates the growth in economy as an innovator. Next thing is generator of employment is opportunities. As we earlier discussed, that generator of employment opportunities in between us, that is called entrepreneurs. When entrepreneurs creates job, then he gives different type of job, different type of employment to different type of people. As we know, the HR system, human resource means the right place, the right person for the right job. So here we are discussing the employment opportunities. Opportunities creates only entrepreneurs. Next thing is complementing and supplementing economic growth. We are already discussing about the economic growth through entrepreneurs. Complementing and supplementing economic growth means he creates the economic activities, he creates the different type of job activities, he creates different type of situation, he takes risk, he searches the opportunities, etc. After all, he develops the economy in that way. Last, balanced regional development. He creates the balanced regional development. He establishes different type of units, different type of enterprises, different type of organizations in those areas which are not yet developed. Then he creates different type of opportunities there where we have no any idea how to do. So this can be created only by the entrepreneurs. So we can be thankful to the entrepreneurs as an innovator. So innovation should be created by the entrepreneurs and innovation should be created by the employers, etc. Thank you.